guys, I just want to show you how to do the peer review. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to get to the form peer review. You're going to click on it and you're going to put create thread. From there, you are going to simply, I would put in the subject your last name and rough draft. Then people will know. And then I would click on it, and then you're going to insert a local file. So I'm just going to insert kind of any file that I have right now. And then I would click submit. Okay. So whenever you are coming back to this, so we'll go to weekly work again, we'll go through the process, and you'll see it. You click on this. So also save this document because that is how you are going to grade the copy. But you'll click on it and you'll take someone's, so choose only one person, choose a person who hasn't had theirs peer reviewed yet, and you'll click on it and then you'll push reply. And when you reply, what you're going to do is you are going to fill out the document that I talk about where you review the person's essay, and you will save that document and resubmit it and click submit. So that way the person will be able to see that they've gotten feedback, and then I will be able to see that you've submitted and you've also given feedback to someone. And I think that should sum it up. Please see my video about how to use the peer review sheet. Thanks so much.